PMax isn't going anywhere. So we should get used to it. And we should learn to live in Google Ads world with it, versus fighting against it. And strategic guardrails, both at the account and campaign level, super important. Again, if you just turn PMax on for lead gen and expect it to work like it's e-commerce, or expect it to work like it's just a search lead gen campaign, you're probably going to run into a lot of the problems we talked about up front. That happens, and then you're going to get frustrated and never want to run it again. So get those guardrails in up front, get offline conversion tracking set up, be strategic about it with your audiences and your search themes. And yeah, I mean, if there's one thing to do though, it's that offline conversion tracking. If there's one thing you can do to direct it with all these other things in mind, it's the hardest thing, but it's also the most important thing, logistically speaking.